Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be sharing about what a capacitor is and why do we need it, how does it work, and all the little details that go into it. If you do like the video, share it with your friends so that all of your friends can get the clarity on this topic and you guys can discuss it better and improve your thinking in the process. Do subscribe to the channel so that you get to know when we are launching the videos next. So let's get started. I'm Atray from Cosmic Essence, and get your notebooks out so that you take proper notes. Now what is happening? This capacitor is getting charged. It is storing that energy, this electron and the electrical energy, in the form of charges accumulated, so that when I charge it fully, when it is balanced, both the plates have equal amount of charges. Now I can connect a bulb over here and this bulb will light. This bulb will start lighting up. Okay, that is what a capacitor is about. Now let's understand how do we figure out the capacitance, which is the amount of charge that a capacitor can hold. So how do we look at it? The capacitor. So the electric field is directly proportional to the Q. As you can understand, the more the charge over on the plates is, the more my electric field would be, right? Because electric field is directly proportional to charge. Now, because electric field is proportional to the charge, my potential, the difference of potential between the two plates, is also directly proportional to Q. Why is that? Because potential is equals to electric field into the distance between them. That is the work done by the work done against the electric field per unit charge. Okay, obviously up to that distance to which I am doing, right? F dot S. Do not forget that. So we can see that the potential is also directly proportional to Q. As I see this, I can write this as Q upon V, which will be a constant as C. Okay, because there will be a constant of proportionality between them, and that constant of proportionality, we have named it, we have given it a name called capacitance. Okay, so capacitance, this is how we get. So Q upon V is what a capacitance is defined as. Capacitance is the amount of charge or amount of charge that a capacitor can hold without breaking. Okay, so that is what a capacitance is. The unit obviously is something called a farad. 1 farad is equals to 1 coulomb per 1 volt. Okay, potential difference, the unit of potential difference, this is what 1 farad is. But 1 farad is quite a huge number, okay. So we use smaller units of farad, in the sense microfarad, nanofarad, and so on, okay, which is 10 to the power minus 9, 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 3, according to the requirement that we have. So that is how we use farad, because farad as a unit is huge. Okay, so for to hold 1 coulomb of charge, my plates would have to be about 30 kilometers square big, 30 kilometers square big, to hold just 1 coulomb of charge. That's why you can see that 1 farad is quite a big amount and number. Okay, so that is how, and that is what a capacitor is. And really cool stuff that this capacitor is. Now, a very quick and important thing which is called dielectric strength. Now, what happens is we can fill up this space in the middle by different things. Now, if we're just talking about a normal thing, that is when there's nothing in the middle, we call it vacuum, right? Vacuum means that there is no particles in between them to kind of push through. But suppose we add air into it. Now what's going to happen is there is air particles in the middle. If I increase the electric field, if I keep on increasing my electric field, at a certain point what's going to happen is the electric field is going to ionize my air particles. What does that mean? Electric field is pushing, right? Every molecule, everything is made up of molecules, and molecules are positive, negatively charged, and so due to that electric field, a stretch would happen in the molecules. As the stretch happens, and as I keep on increasing the force of that stretch, at one point what's going to happen? These two molecules will separate out into negatively charged and positively charged molecules, right? At that point we say that we have broken the dielectric strength of that material. Okay, that means that was the maximum limit of electric field that was possible through air or any other material for that moment. Okay, why is this important? Because what happens is, as I'm increasing my charges on the plates, right, positive, negative charge, my molecules separate out. The negative charge is attracted towards the positive side, the positive charge is attracted towards the negative side, and as they separate out, now they are free to move, and once they are free to move, they can reach the plates and neutralize them to a certain extent. Not fully, but to a certain extent. Okay, so it becomes a cycle. My battery is putting charge onto the plates, which increases the electric field. When the electric field increases, the air ionizes. The ionized air particles reach back to the plate, and it kind of neutralizes the charge a little bit. So the plates now have lesser charge, right? So the ionization stops, but the battery keeps on increasing the charge again. So it becomes a loop. It keeps on going on and it keeps on going on. Okay. This is also when we start seeing sparks. Okay, this is also when we start seeing sparks. So sparks and thunderstorms and whatnot are essentially these bursts of these bursts where the charge is going from one place to another. Okay, we'll cover that in some other video. Please look out for that. But that is a very important thing to understand, what dielectric strength of a material between the capacitor is. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, do subscribe and share this video with your friends and family and cousins, so that you guys can understand this topic better and improve your thinking in the process. Do put down your suggestions and doubts in the comment box below, so that I can come back to them and make more videos for you to enjoy and learn from. I'm Atray from Cosmic Essence. I'll see you in the next video.